I'm Dr. Ralph Muncaster, Realtor. Here I am at Carlsbad Beach. This is actually President's Weekend, so it's a holiday weekend. The beach here at Carlsbad is huge. It's actually 7 miles long. As you can see, it's very wide, lots and lots of sand, and yet even on a holiday weekend you can see there is plenty of room. Now this is taken at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's still quite a popular time. You can see there are plenty of families, lots of people, wonderful surf. The village is just a short walk away, and we just love it here. And of course there's the two-level seawalk that you can take and enjoy the view from up top or down at sand level.